If you're a Dodge Cummins owner, you know how frustrating exhaust leaks can be. So don't wait. Replace the old worn out manifold gaskets in your Cummins engine with the XDP exhaust manifold gasket set. When a stock manifold gasket fails, an exhaust leak can result in substantial decrease in power, acceleration, and fuel economy. The multi-layer steel construction of the XD531 helps them withstand high heat, adding extra resistance against your typical blowouts. These direct fit gaskets mount in between the manifold and the cylinder head, ensuring a tight seal, preventing against exhaust leaks. Sold as a set of 6, this OE-style direct fit replacement will eliminate those pesky exhaust leaks and restore your engine's drivability and efficiency. Get your XDP exhaust manifold gasket set today at xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.